Hi guys, guess what I got? I'm really excited about this. I have been waiting and it's finally here. This is my Oden's Eye Love Language bundle that I ordered from Morgan Turner's collaboration with Oden's Eye. And I am opening the box for the first time now. I just wanted to show you what the packaging looks like. Before I do swatches, I'll get to that now. Let me just take everything out of the box. It's packaged beautifully. This is just one of the points items that I ordered. When you buy things at Oden's Eye, you get points, and with a certain amount of points, you can claim items for it. So this is just the highlighter brush that I ordered. And these are the lip products. Look how beautiful that is. It has the love language written in pink foil on there, and it's got golden hearts. It's really beautiful packaging. I did end up going with all 5 lip products. I'm not huge on lip products, but these really looked pretty to me, so I really wanted all 5 of them. And then under in the box we have the little note from Morgan Turner. Such a beautiful card with a little personalized note from her directly. And let's see what the palette looks like. Oh, that's gorgeous. This pink writing looks like it has almost like a foily glittery effect. And at the back the ingredients are written in like a lavender foil color. It has one of these cute little taggy thingies to remove the plastic with. Okay, and there we have the box. It looks like it has a sleeve. One of those slidey sleeves that just come off. Now let's see what the palette looks like. Oh, that's beautiful. Those imprints are gorgeous and those colors are stunning, huh? So before I get into the swatches of this one, let me just open this and show you what that looks like. It has a soft lining on the inside, or the back side, and that's what the cloth looks like. It has an Oden's Eye logo and the love at the top. Let's get this box out of the way. I do want to do some swatches with the lip products first before I get into the eyeshadow palette. So if you're not interested in the lip products, I'll have a timestamp. You can just skip forward to the eyeshadow swatches, but stick around if you want to see these. So again, that's what the boxes look like. I'm going to start off with love language. That's what the lip gloss looks like. Okay, I'm a bit bummed about this. This lip applicator fell off in this one and I was so excited to use it. So I'm going to have to remove that cap part and dig around to get the color of this one. Okay, I really messed up this one trying to dig that thing out, and you'll see my entire table is full of lip gloss now. But I did want to swatch the color of this one quick. And I'll be applying it with a brush in the future. Oh, but that's gorgeous, huh? Oh, I'm so sad that this is the one that messed up now. And I'm not the type of person who sends things back, so I'm going to have to reorder this one later. Oh, it's stunning. I hope I don't have that issue with all of them. Next I have Kisses. Let's see if this one turned out better. Came out. Let's see how that one swatches. This is a gorgeous color. It's like a darker neutrally color, not one of those light colors, but I think it'll look gorgeous. Next we have Bezo. Let's see what this one looks like. Ooh, it has a bit more of a brick type of shade to it. Not quite as orange as brick. It's a bit more neutral than a brick color would be. It's like a nudish brick color. Oh, it's got a beautiful golden sparkle in there. I really love this kind of lip gloss. I usually like wearing just a neutrally lip liner with a lip gloss like this. I think that goldeny specks in there really complements my skin color. And then we have LOML, it's for Love of My Life. I think this is the darkest one of them all. Let's just see. It has a bit more of a matte texture to it. A bit more lipsticky. Looks like it's a beautiful formula. The color is great. I really like that color. Okay, I tried cleaning up here as best I can now. Let's get into these beautiful swatches. I'm going to swap them row by row. And then when I'm done, I will just give you my thoughts on the swatches. Okay, so first we have Heart, Valentine, Service, and Quality Time. That's what the colors look like. Oh, this is such a beautiful color. Even that pinky purpley shine. Okay, it's Heart. Oh, it's got such a nice sparkle. Valentine. Oh, wow. Service. It's very light on my skin. And Quality Time. Oh, that's gorgeous. Okay, next we have Cuddles, Amor, Affirmation, and Touch. That's what those colors look like. Oh, I even like this peachy pink color. That Touch is also a very pretty pearly color. Okay, so that's Cuddles, Amor. Oh, that's beautiful. Affirmation and Touch. Oh, that's such a nice inner corner highlight color. Okay, you all know I love purple, so this is really the row I've been looking forward to. We have Flirt, Treat, Date Night, and Daydream. That's what they look like. Okay, so there we have Flirt. Oh, that's gorgeous. Has a bluish shift and it's got a fine sparkle that doesn't really show on the camera. Okay, and then we have Treat, gorgeous purple, Date Night, and Daydream. That's beautiful. Okay, so the final row, 829, Giggle, Gifts, and Crush. That's what they look like. Oh, they're beautiful colors, huh? Okay, so we have 829. It's a beautiful, almost like a champagne gold. Then Giggle, Nice dusty purpley color. Then Gifts and Crush. And there we have all the colors. Oh, I'm so excited to play with this palette. I just want to add some more of the service to see how much I can build it up. Seeing that you can barely see it there. I know she said it's very sheer initially, but is buildable, which you can see there. I haven't looked forward to a color story like this in quite a while. I'm very intrigued by all these colors. I would probably go for most of these colors in a palette that I'd put together myself. So there we go, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Keep an eye on my channel if you want to see the looks that I'm going to do with these. I'm definitely thinking about doing at least 2 looks. Let me know what you think about the color story. With regards to the swatches, the quality feels very good. I don't think that you can expect anything less than you get with an Oden's eyeshadow palette. So generally the quality for Oden's Eye is very good. I'm a bit bummed out by that lip gloss that busted on me, but I'm not going to let that stop myself from using it. I'm definitely going to find a way to use it. And then I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you next time, guys. Bye!